Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections, pure handloom one, beautiful one, bright looks only for you. So let me display. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka with beautiful weaving design, very smart, elegant one. This one full base part. Very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is purple pink silk, beautiful color combinations, and this one border portions very beautiful one, golden zari with a fine hand weaving design work border. This portion is fully border, fully hand weaving, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka with beautiful hand weaving design, heavy work border. And this one is full base part, very soft one, feather like soft, very elegant, bright looks, best for your party wear, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern, and this one full base part. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful hand weaving design pallu, checks pattern with beautiful weaving buta work, highlighted pallu, very nice one, elegant, trendy, smart, bright looks, premium quality, golden zari weaving work, fully hand weaving work, very trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding party looks, bright, gorgeous also. In a very beautiful bright looks, bright color combinations, orange shade, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka with beautiful weaving design, very smart and elegant looks. This one is border portions, golden zari border, and full border portions, checks pattern with self weaving, golden zari hand weaving, checks pattern work, full border portions. And this one pallu portions, very bright beautiful one, self checks pattern with beautiful fine weaving design work pallu, beautiful smart looks, and very soft, comfortable also, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka base, bright looks. And this one border portions, very beautiful one, highlighted border, golden zari, and full border portions, beautiful checks pattern with self weaving work, border portions, very highlighted one, fully hand weaving design, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, Kora muslin, little stiff material with heavy weaving work, very nice one, smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, Kora muslin with golden zari heavy weaving design border. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta work, golden zari weaving buta work, transparent. And this one border portions is very beautiful, heavy golden zari weaving work, very nice one, smart, bright looks, Kora muslin, little stiff material. And this one is full base part, very trendy, smart looks. This one is pallu portions, fully golden zari fine weaving design, temple pattern weaving design work pallu. And this one running blouse piece, fully brocade work, running blouse piece, very smart, bright, trendy looks, blue shade, navy blue shade. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also beautiful, elegant color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom, silk lian material, silk lian Banarasi, silver zari weaving Banarasi work, very smart, elegant, bright looks, and very elegant color combinations. This one is full base, bluish grayish blue shade. And this one is border portions, navy blue contrast dye with silver zari weaving design, heavy worked border, fine weaving design, fully hand weaving work. And this one pallu portions, silver zari heavy Banarasi weaving work pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, very smart, bright, elegant looks. This one full base part, silver zari contrast color, navy blue dye border with fine silver zari heavy worked Banarasi border. And this one full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, very smart, bright, elegant looks, elegant color combinations. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, beautiful smart one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. This one also in a beautiful one, pure pure muslin, pure handloom muslin jamdani work, very elegant bright looks, premium quality zari border and full base part is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, navy blue shade with beautiful weaving work, very nice one, fully hand weaving jamdani design, floral jamdani work, and this one is premium quality soft zari border and pure handloom muslin, pure muslin base with jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very bright beautiful smart looks, elegant one. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful hand weaving floral jamdani work, very nice one, smart bright looks, and pallu in highlighted golden zari stripes, very nice one, soft comfortable obviously transparent pure muslin jamdani. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding traditional smart looks. In a very beautiful one, bright looks, premium quality pure handloom layen by cotton weaving, golden zari, 1 inch golden zari highlighted border and full base part is beautiful weaving work, very nice one. This one, full base part bright maroon red shade highlighted 1 inch golden zari border and full base part is beautiful weaving design by golden zari weaving design floral full base part. And this one, pallu portions, very beautiful one, highlighted pallu golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving hand weaving design work pallu. And this one, full base part, very soft one, smart looks. This one is full base part, fully weaving design by golden zari floral weaving design. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very bright beautiful looks, base for your party wear also. And I will suggest this silk material, silk weaving brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. And this one also in a very smart looks and designer piece also, premium quality pure handloom natural fabric layen by layen golden zari border and full base part and border portions and pallu part is catwalk mirror design, very smart elegant looks. This one is golden zari border highlighted contrast blue piping and full border portions beautiful catwalk with mirror design embroidery, mirror embroidery with catwalk design border portions. This one is full base part natural fabric layen by layen, very beautiful smart trendy one. This one is border and this one is running blouse piece and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, heavy worked catwalk with mirror embroidery design pallu, soft lightweight smart looks. This one is full pallu portions catwalk with mirror embroidery work, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright look, smart also. And this one also, a beautiful one, same material natural fabric layen by layen with catwalk mirror design embroidery design, silver zari border, very trendy smart looks, designer piece catwalk design. And this one, full base part natural fabric layen by layen and beautiful mirror embroidery design, artificial mirror. And this portion is a multi-color stripes and checks pattern. This portion is pleat section, this portion is pleats, multi-color stripes pattern splits. And this one is upper base part, this one is running blouse piece and this one, pallu portion is fully catwalk with embroidery design, mirror work embroidery design pallu, artificial mirror. And this one is beautiful heavy worked pallu, very smart one, catwalk with mirror design. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright smart elegant looks. This one also in a beautiful one, natural fabric layen by layen with multicolored weaving, a butta design, very smart bright looks. Base part is natural fabric layen by layen sorry, with a navy blue shade and beautiful weaving butta design. This portion is fully hand weaving, multicolor weaving butta, very smart elegant bright looks. 21 natural fabric layen by layen with multicolor weaving buta design. This one is running blouse piece and very blue base, and this one pallu portion, very highlighted pallu, multi-color stripes, self weaving stripes pattern pallu, very elegant, smart, bright looks. This one is full base and this one is pallu base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric checks with border portions work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, elegant looks. This one also beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk linen Banarasi with batik printed one, fully hand batik print, very smart and traditional looks. This one is silk linen base Banarasi weaving traditional border and fancy looks, batik printed one, very trendy smart looks. This one contrast color dye pallu, silver and golden zari stripes with beautiful hand batik printed one. This portion is pallu, and this one full base part, beautiful elegant color combinations. This one is full base part and this one is border portions, fully Banarasi weaving design traditional border, and full base part is batik printed, and this one is silk linen material with batik print and Banarasi border, very nice. And this one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, smart, elegant, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding look, smart and traditional also. So in a very beautiful bright one, bright maroon shade, premium quality pure handloom linen by cotton with beautiful weaving work. This one full base part, very smart, bright looks, linen by cotton, and this one full base, beautiful weaving buta design by golden zari weaving buta work, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, beautiful, smart weaving buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portion, beautiful one, heavy worked pallu, fully fine weaving golden zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu, highlighted pallu, very nice one, fully hand weaving work. And this one full base part, easy drippable, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart looks, smart and traditional looks. And I will suggest this silk material golden shade heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. This one also beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom, natural fabric linen by linen and beautiful color, royal blue shade, golden and silver zari border, and full border portions, temple weaving, temple pattern weaving design by Gicha thread. And this one full base part, natural fabric linen by linen. This one is silver zari border and full border portions weaving temple pattern weaving design by Gicha. And this one is pallu portions, very highlighted pallu, Gicha stripes highlighted the pallu, and this portion is full pallu portions, Gicha with contrast silver zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu, fully hand weaving work. And this one full base part, bright, beautiful, smart, trendy looks. This one is border, golden zari blue shade base with Gicha temple weaving design, very smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full piece. And I will suggest this cotton silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, trendy looks. This one also a beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton slat material with mirror work batik print, very trendy, smart, bright looks. This one full base part, beautiful color combination. This one is full base part, little golden shade base color and silver zari border, and full border portions, beautiful batik hand batik printed one, and full base also batik printed one with mirror embroidery design, very smart, elegant, bright looks. This one pallu portions, beautiful batik printed with mirror embroidery work pallu, and this one is full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. This one is full base, soft one, silver zari border, batik printed design with mirror work, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. Then a very beautiful one, smart, bright looks, natural fabric linen by linen, bright orange shade, golden zari border, multicolor weaving border design, very smart, elegant looks. This one, full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful multi-color weaving box pattern design, very nice one, highlighted one. And this one is full base part, multicolor weaving buta design, box pattern weaving buta design. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful one, multicolor stripes pattern pallu, soft, comfortable, bright looks, bright orange shade, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one full base part. This one is border portions, beautiful multicolor weaving border portions highlighted. And this one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, very smart, bright, trendy looks, soft, comfortable also. And I will suggest this cotton silk material, ikat pattern, weaving ikat pattern, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright look, smart, gorgeous also. And this one also very beautiful, elegant one, fully designer piece, white base, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful cut work and mirror design, mirror embroidery work, white base, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful cut work with mirror design. This one is full base, beautiful elegant color combination, silver zari border, and full border portions is beautiful cut work with mirror embroidery design. Very trendy looks, elegant one, white base, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this portion pallu portions, heavy worked pallu, fully designer piece, heavy worked. This portion is pallu portions, cut work with mirror and heavy embroidery design, highlighted pallu. Very beautiful, smart, elegant looks, gorgeous also. And I will suggest this silk material mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful, fancy looks, designer piece, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen based for your party wear, and beautiful, smart, fancy looks. Have sign, silver zari border, contrast golden piping, and full base part is weaving buta with design, very nice and mirror embroidery design. This one is silver zari border, contrast golden piping, and full base part silver sign, tissue linen material with fine weaving buta design. This portion is weaving buta with highlighted mirror embroidery design, very trendy, smart looks, beautiful color combinations, peach shade with highlighted silver zari border, golden contrast piping. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part is heavy work based for your party wear, smart party wear. This one pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful mirror design, stripes lines with beautiful embroidery with weaving buta work, pallu part, very highlighted one, smart, elegant, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. So very beautiful, elegant one, elegant color combinations, silver steel base, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen based for your party wear, shiny look, silver zari border, contrast golden piping, and full base part is beautiful weaving and weaving buta with mirror embroidery work, fully designer piece, very nice one, elegant, smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, beautiful, elegant color combinations. And this one pallu portions, highlighted golden zari stripes with mirror embroidery design lines with beautiful weaving with mirror embroidery work, very nice one, fully designer piece, elegant color combinations. This one full base part, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen with designer work, nice one, weaving work with mirror embroidery design, very trendy one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part, very beautiful, exquisite color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material, golden base, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, smart looks. This one also beautiful one, printed one, semi organza base, semi organza with digital printed one, very smart one, beautiful looks, beautiful fancy looks. This one is full base, full base part is same printed one. This one is full base part, beautiful one, smart looks, and semi organza base with beautiful digital printed one, very trendy smart looks. This one is running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, same printed one. This one is pallu and same floral printed full base part. Very trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, blue, royal blue shade, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. Beautiful elegant color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen, 1 inch highlighted golden saree border, and full base part is beautiful embroidery work, very nice and bright, smart looks. Silk linen material, full base part is Buddha pattern, fine embroidery design, and this one is full base part, silk linen golden saree border, and full border portions, heavy embroidery work, very smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one pallu in golden zari fine stripes with beautiful pom-pom design pallu, and this one full base, very smart, bright looks. This one is full base, soft, comfortable silk linen material, and full base border portions is heavy embroidery design, very nice one, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, but beautiful fine embroidery work, very nice one, fully fine embroidery design, silk linen base, highlighted 1 inch golden zari border, and full border portions, heavy embroidery work, very nice one, bright looks, best for your party wears. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, pure premium quality organza base, pure one with beautiful reshmi zari weaving, heavy work, fully self weaving, highlighted golden zari border, reshmi zari border, and buta work also by reshmi zari, very beautiful one, golden shade zari. And this one pallu portion, and base is pure premium quality organza base, pure one, and this one pallu portions, contrast color with beautiful weaving design, stripes pattern weaving design, pallu portions, and full work, golden zari, reshmi golden zari work, very nice and bright looks, trendy one, smart looks, very beautiful saree, soft, lightweight also, and beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.